Hello, welcome to Plants Are My Therapy. This is going to be a short, concise video on how to repurpose used disposable plastic bottles into planters. Plastic bottles are everywhere, and glass vases are very common. They're easy to find at garage sales and thrift stores for 50 cents to $1. And they can be easily repurposed to be planters. And planters can be very expensive. One of the many advantages to repurpose plastic bottle planters, I think I'm just going to call it plastic bottle planters, is that they're easy to change out. They're easy to check to see if your plants needs watering. They're easy to check to see if your plants are root bound. And you can change up your design. If you don't like one vase, you can change it out to another vase. If you like the vase but don't like seeing the soil, then you can spray paint the bottle to a color that you like. If you like the plant, you can change out the vase for a vase of a different color or design. Repurposed plastic bottle planters will give you a huge variety of choices. To check the condition of the soil, to check to see if the plant is root bound, and to water the plant is really easy. Just fill the vase halfway up with water. Place the plastic disposable bottle planter inside of the vase and let it slowly soak up the water. Top off with water, and if you need to fertilize, you can add the water and the fertilizer in together. Then let it soak until it's thoroughly saturated. Choose a disposable bottle that can easily fit into the vase of your choice. Use an X-Acto knife or a case cutter to cut along the top surface of your bottle. Then use a scissors to cut along the top part of your new plastic planter. I usually cut my plastic bottle planter to the height of the vase that I chose. Since I plan to use this technique a lot, I bought a soldering iron. Do not buy the soldering iron from the hobby section. That's about $13–14. Buy the soldering iron from the hardware section. That's about $6 to $7. The soldering iron does not come with an on and off switch, so plug it on when you're ready to make the holes, and look how easy it is. I make anywhere between 8 to 20 holes in the bottom of these plastic bottle planters. Using this technique, you won't have to damage any of your valuable vases, and you will be able to get practical use out of them. One final and important note. Do not cut through the mouthpiece of the bottle because that's the strongest part of the bottle. Use an X-Acto knife or a case cutter and then use a scissors. I hope you were able to pick up a few tips or learn from my trials and errors. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch my videos. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you again. Aloha.